Well, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Big up, respect, and the manners to each and every one. Alright, my people, so I see a video that have me thinking about a thing that some people within the country of Jamaica call jungle justice. Yes, I say, but I have a question for ask as well too. Now, here I'm going to present a piece of a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that shows some things that happened when a person who had been accused of being a thief or breaking and entering at least one person's house somehow had been apprehended and beaten by a group of persons. Now, in the entire video that I saw, you can hear persons talking in what some people call Jamaican accent, or you can hear persons using Jamaican accent when they talk in the video that I saw. Yes, some have viewers and subscribers, and one person said some words in the video that also includes police are come. I didn't get any specific details about what the person had been accused of doing, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, the video shows when a group of persons repeatedly hit the person with objects. Now, even though that happened, viewers and subscribers, I did not see a whole lot of blood in the whole entire video. That is, if I see any blood at all in the entire video, viewers and subscribers. I'm not sure. You see what I say? It's not everything I'm going to remember. Now, whether you're a Jamaican or not, and if you have any form of understanding as to what some people within the country of Jamaica call jungle justice, I would like you to look at this piece of video that I'm about to present to you and remember some words that I said to you about the situation and tell me if you think the situation can be considered as jungle justice or if you think the situation is not jungle justice. You see what I say? Viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that this video is going to show a person laying on the ground. At one point, the video shows the person being searched, viewers and subscribers, and the person who you can see laying on the ground was the person who had been beaten by a group of persons. So before I present this piece of video to you, which is from an entire video, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Don't chop him, don't chop him. Beat him, man.
Oh, you know, you can't tell Marshall, sorry. Look why not. Church.
Look at what? See you kill by your money, you can't cheat.
So you come broke my blood clot. Oh.
What is that?
Oh, boy.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to what happened to the person after the video stopped recording. I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. And I got the understanding that this thing that some people within the country of Jamaica call jungle justice is considered to be a situation where a group of persons take law into their own hands and decide to carry out what they see fit as justice. See? So, based on what I just explained to you about the entire video that I saw and based on the piece of video that I just presented to you, I would like you to tell me if you think the situation can be considered as a jungle justice or if you think the situation is not jungle justice. Leave a comment or comments to let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. In my point of view, you can hear at least one person telling other persons not to chop the person. See? So all them things there. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And I'm going to move on to another topic. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person doing something that I consider to be very dangerous. The video is going to show a person doing something that I consider to be very life-threatening and highly risky. Yes, what I say? In my point of view, no one should ever do anything like what you can see the person doing in this video. No. See? Now the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show how a motorcyclist was able to carry an electrical appliance on a motorcycle. Yes, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show, or is going to basically show a motorcyclist carrying an electrical appliance on a motorcycle. Viewers and subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. Do not try what you see the person do in this video. Don't try this at all because it's very dangerous, highly risky. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Esses caras vai descer mesmo, viu?
Só avisa, pô. Só avisa, vai. Só avisa embaixo, vai. Aí, pronto, obrigado.
The people, all you see me are looking on me somewhat. I said to myself, so this really dangerous. Overboard dangerous. Highly risky. Huh? Why somebody? Yo.
Esqueceu mesmo?
Che.
Ixi, é o cão mesmo, viu, mano?
Gone. Look, even though what the person had done is dangerous, I only hope that that person did not get hurt in any way. As I say, no, you see, this video shows a clear example as to why traffic law is necessary. Yeah, man, this video shows a clear example as to why you have traffic law or you have traffic laws. As I say, because just imagine you drive your motor vehicle or go somewhere and then someone will do something like this and then all of a sudden maybe the person goodly go lose control or certain things go happen. Next thing you find yourself after answer questions to police and all them things, that then insurance, this and that or so forth, depending on what might happen. You see me I say, because suppose someone lose their life, I tell you, me not act like me perfect, but me I tell you the truth, me nah do something like that. And I would never agree with anyone to do something like that. That's too dangerous, that's highly dangerous. Get a pickup truck for come carry it for you, or somebody with a walk back van or something. Now man, that really dangerous, my people. That over the top dangerous. Yeah, I'm bone crick. No, that over the top dangerous. Like for real, man. Me I tell you the truth, my people. So yeah, somebody like to tell me what you think about that situation, viewers and subscribers. That was not only having me thinking, it's somewhat scary. May I tell you, not even sure how I feel at some point with that situation there. You know, some people on social media found that video to be amusing. You know. Alright, so I think here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.